Because your love is better than life, my lips will glorify you. Psalm 63, verse 3.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Jesus, Our Everything, was written and read by Sochil Dixon.
Psalm 63. You, God, are my God. Earnestly I seek you. I thirst for you. My whole being longs for you in a dry and parched land where there is no water. I have seen you in the sanctuary and beheld your power and your glory. Because your love is better than life, my lips will glorify you. I will praise you as long as I live, and in your name I will lift up my hands. I will be fully satisfied as with the richest of foods. With singing lips, my mouth will praise you. On my bed, I remember you. I think of you through the watches of the night. Because you are my help, I sing in the shadow of your wings. I cling to you. Your right hand upholds me. Those who want to kill me will be destroyed. They will go down to the depths of the earth. They will be given over to the sword and become food for jackals. But the keen will rejoice in God. All who swear by God will glory in him, while the mouths of liars will be silenced. Jesus, our everything. With the referee's final gesture, wrestler Kennedy Blades became a 2024 Olympian. She pressed her palms together, lifted her hands and eyes to the heavens, and praised God. A reporter asked about her growth over the past 3 years. The elite athlete didn't even mention her physical training. I've just gotten super close to Jesus, she said. Professing Christ as King, she proclaimed that he's coming again and encouraged others to believe in him. It's him, she said. That's the main reason why I was able to accomplish such a big thing. In other interviews, she faithfully declared that Jesus is everything to her and the reason for everything good in her life. This passion for living a God-centered life reflects David's confessions in Psalm 63. Acknowledging his desperation for his Creator, he said, I thirst for you. My whole being longs for you. David had seen God and beheld his power and glory. He declared God's steadfast love as better than life. Then he prayed, because you are my help, I sing in the shadow of your wings. I cling to you. Your right hand upholds me. God was clearly everything to David. Our lives can be beacons that point others to a life-saving relationship with God when Jesus becomes our reason, our everything. Let's pray. Dear Jesus, please help us truly live like you're our reason, our everything. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. In what ways does your life reflect that Christ is your reason, your everything? What do you need to surrender to acknowledge that He's your King?
Omasubam la otil kmo angal ka selam endim ya dalal matamal mar adalo mo rangal ka agiril di mga rangal ka rabe ka club say angal ka selam ngarinya vingal sabi reng sa ngarila dalal alongat adurangi madirek amadalangal ka mangmaral mo ngilomes rabe ka club say mangal ka sabi lomes ramdala dalal selongat adurangi omasubam la otil kmo angal kal E adalala mga adu ngira veke klabselo lisak yo mokorol de swel e o mokostraul de swel. Sellebol kotel skula ngalak. Adalala mga adu ngira veke klabse e alam sela ngalak at karak me evel buil. Ngarbab adom kasiwringi ma bebirar ngalak el dimle aloit el dimla ka longot adu urtira darir ralo mokorol urtira veke klabse. Angal ka selam eleng walba out yalp tadul. Diakalo danget tokoy raklaad, ma diakalo dange ungil mamaknit maknitilaklaad. Ngogiw osis akraw alelak langar rangalaga, ralmeel maral mo klolad, yangalaka subak ntil, maklung yolelaklaad, alorail mo klolad. At tokoy lo suba ngalaga, amot tretelel, emokseringi, alorail mo klolad. Armaduol ngalaga, asuba maknitel teletelelaklaad al ngalaga, emo maklol ad lo bult, emo ngil ad, o emo ngil ad ratarak labsay. Ang ngalaga, am elel ba aawap talul, el diakalo dangi ngarangaklaad, mangalaga selam el, e adalala longod adu uringira vek labsay, e akot, alda du loreng sa ngalaga, el dirka ngalaga, lomokaro rangi, a omok tralam sila ngalaga. Ongerung, adala langal kalongot adu rangalken, en diakalo dange tokoy, e tigingel adalal, amotele la tigingel, angalaken, aloran mo klol ad. Ongevey, aungil alda adu loreng sa ngalaga, dirka ka bolongot adu, a olng seurarangul, mauduswela ngalaga, mangmo alilak, aloran mo klol ad, en diakal masabseb karangul. Ongewang, aungil alda adu loreng sa ngalaka, edirka kapolongat adu, e adalala di mga adu oringi, aol nga seura ngalaka, mandi ngalaka, e obokot taul da swela marangul, e mesa ungil siya singraklaad. Mang marahil mo klolad, aldiakar rangil madakter rasekad, e diakan marurarad, madiakan madakta sekad. Ang ngalakal bol maknit ringi, amo botoka sa arel, emo botoka rangil madakter rasekad. Ang ngalakal di eloy, taldia kaungil tokoy maalda aduon mo ringi, al ngalaka. Amarayan mo klolad, al madakter aklaad, eom tokaраklaad. Mandi mor siwek, ebli laring ra, aklaad ringi raklaad. Omom el, lo ngalakran mikaril ngalaka, evi mongod adura ngalakim. Klaadar til mongil, makser til mongil, maulda kiara ablul adar aulda suid, marandil mongil arungil, aul tuyil, rokui aulda swela ngalaka, maptalula ngalaka, ma abadangil rokir mablul adar ngalaka, aul tuyil aungil alda adul morngi, almael, eloral moklol ad, rabeka klubse.
Bank Pacific has a $100 gift for all Region High School and college graduates.
Okay, I'll bite. What is it?
Open a checking account with Bank Pacific, show us you just graduated, and bingo! We'll deposit an additional $100 into your account.
What about a Visa debit card?
Yep, Visa debit card, online and mobile banking, remote deposit capture, the works.
What about for existing customers who just graduated?
They got $100 too.
Great, count me in.
Bank Pacific. Where others put branches, we place roots. Conditions apply. Member FDIC.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian CYBER19@gmail.com.
Kadebel subdra kodal, tia kadebel subdra kodal lo tobderingi atip Angel Sali, ma awer belau Lorenzo Edward, ma isal Tati Alfred, el subdra aratamam rasrela atarkit, era haperonika kajuo, em losme ersera lui el gobsingil ongelol malbuir el arra, ma abatangela ngara amoroko, e amopes el akamaldi lam lamotrokok el moringi, ra trui matal gobsingil ongevidil buir el arra, el dimora a funeral home, el ngara angat kibra rai ma kim subdra rogul taqaw adal ad lokiwa ongal ka matulungal ka ma qablila erbapel ta ma oror ma yulda mo di mo mangi mo ngira klo ka ma te ko ma kai subde di motob do gururiul e ko man sulang sign dib Angel Sali werbelau Lorenzo Edward ma isal Tati Alfred Debel subdra kamaldi lo tobdergia aboy pelau pung hirangsil ngirbel Isaac Sakurai Matulik Chak Kirngasang, Adurgroy Posto Dramalig, Rungu Ramwang William Ngiray Kalaw, Elmok Mung Atargidra at Justin Ngirang Sil Isidoro, Amlosme Ersera Turi Melon Mulkopsingil on Elon Mulbuir El Arra, Malwaisem La Motrokokla, Hakamaldil Sils, Elmo Orgira on Evaluador Tru El Kopsingil on Wilbuir El Arra, Didgalat Karang Lungu, Edong Mokura Apatanget, Edongira Akmate Komakal Sub, the Liboto Guru Riul, Matako Malmsulang, Sain, Rungu Ramawang, William Ngiray Kalaw.
Subdra kamaldila. Tia subdra kamaldin maaldado ulaltab na nyaksaw no asaray mul, rami ichaswa abradong, sa amlong tat ngiramangyor, rungul vikaris ngabarda, Ngiray Kalaw anserum gadoy, yu toribiyong makreosa, masingin nari nakamura, lo ay sarbek kaladama makamaldi, nangalgila ritang marangalgir, nangalgila diralmaw mangalgir, nangalgila nga sa among marangalgir, nangalgila mledil saksaw kalawalbay gadoy, nangalgila Sofia Blayos, kas pasubda may nakangisiwa da alimirtel kamaldilel maaldadur at targidaw El Davis masubda. Ay gidrikam subda ako sa kasi Alfonso Vintorio, Ngiray Kalaw anserum gadoy, o lingit may nakangisiw. Ay gidrikam subda lingit tangis o Rabulgul Felix Osile, maibirada lang abayang misa kumarep. Apatangil at targidaw El Davis masubda, motorkaklan mga maldira, pala final home nga ngatibray-ray. Railon mulkapsingil ang ewudulbuila, July 6, 2025, ratutal material silse mamadak ramdar ra uygul rabalu ray o si sulsub dra qodal maaldadur ade El Davis masubda luttob dnya singinari nakamura al morarbek kaladama makamaldiil maaldadur El Davis masubda amator kaklal morgina July 6, 2025 el de morgina pala final home bakam subdra hidegit takataro mo subdra bebirga mim dang sirtel bula Kigrelo abakal chona tulmong marbibirgaw, James Yop marbibirgaw, Joshua Daro marbibirgaw, Elvis Masubot marbibirgaw, Marangal kamim nakangisew. Marlon Baap marbibirgaw, Tukubet silsubda mara Ronald Timarong, marbibiringi may mga sukumam. Dirikal musubdra Pastor Jose Inacio marbibirgaw, mahaping nakasaw musubdra bibirgaw may nakangisew. Dirikal malolngit tangis Warkal Augusta Sabo marangalgem, dirikal spadala dira Aspar Teodosia en Abordong, marbibirgaw. Dirikal musubdra sa Arkabur Denis Math, may laapsis karingel Marcelus, mosubdra bekla ademim nakangisyor tel albula. Klamatela subda tigel adamam dimlakal gibas angklir, lakabal makita ng riremim nakangisyor tel mamulbong at sungula targidraw El Davis masubda. Kopmal musulang adios lulmol mlabong gedrogoy. Tia subdra kamaldil maaldadul tawdang nga ngiray derbay masasingi arurang, hiblo ko truman ng irmang, sa Arkabur Denis Math, musubdra rogul adamam nga ragal balul mo. At targidra mo Davis Krasay los mer sa May 27, 2025 mamatangin lang aramor yung motor kakla kamaldilel moringin na Sunday July 6, 2025 apatangin lang aramor yung di mamamaldila pala final home nga natibray-ray at tutal maswelba yung mamatakro ulukul ramadal raoygul rabalurayray magikmalungit ra adamam nga regal bloom kas pasuda may desert targid maadipusula ng led mga along expada lang irawri ka check rong ul masubdar adat mangal game may kang sirtial masang ngaradeng expada lat ur kasusiro marangal gilam ne dililaw sabet kel rangal gilam ne dililaw blorang irablos lidiang irablos marangal gila sa kuma marangal gilar do or marangal gil on ngalel niwaleng expada lay blue ko trumen ngirmang ilabo kasigis kwaselin ngirmang madarang yul savior nginamyo miyokang Alfonso Gregorio ngirmang Lorenzo Olgari Mystical Pedro, Ruth Ngirmang, Augusta Bultadab, Happy Ngirakasaw, Norman Ngirakasaw, Christiana Bitulop, Jonathan Sabo Bultadab, Carson Silil, Diana Siang, Dean Ngirarigel, sabet hidegi lapsis ngira kasaw maklaren masayos malkayo kang spodala raklay Rafael bingirimang ngira takaw bibian nomad sibong klol adama Francis Liep isarang spodala radwe Ananias pultadaw marangal gila yugiyong hotel marangal gila mler atukor ekbas ay daing spodala rangal gila tuat mutu Leila Apsis Karingel Marcelus kosakasi Alfonso Vintorio sa Arbor de Nismat Elmis Masubuda Malnguis Masubuda Taudalil Masubuda Emolin Masubuda Bubew Masubuda Nancy Ngirarigel Humiana Emrangula Mashelbi Masami Orioreng spodala rangem Misir Rumsik Ebira Iderbe Brangi Masami Masahiro Daniel Sofia MC Dira Ete Goreti M. Arbay Chustap Poloy Joyce Antonio, Lucia Tiano, Alen Takada, Magdalena Esqueorung, Dwight Masami, Agustin Masayos, Ras Masayos, Idel Arurang, Aileen Arurang Hoke, Pei Arurang, Steve Arurang, Matthew Arurang, Marciano Rungula, Clifford Masami, Spis Sakuma, Chessy Sakuma, Rialul Rumong, Matalab Rumong, Armstrong New Devil Pot. Mayun, sing spadalangir ongor rigim all, Madilik Klep Ngiriam Ruluko, Mosubdar Adad Mangal Kartel Masang. Pelilio ang spadal Agustin Miseral, Ngiragid el Chogiramur, Madiragid el Marta Giramur, Mosubdar Adad Mangal Kartel Masang. Ngayaw ring spadalaw Erbalaw Lorenzo Edward, Madil Balaw, Maim Naging Sirtial Masang. Kopmal Musulang yang nganya model sabi el med kalkrang nguo marubak kaldia sulalmol makatrang trigid rokoy tia subdra kamaldi laptop darnya dingilius ramadal roykul el murarogul tamam rapabaltab mi aldab mau el davis musub del ngalgila targidra mi amsubda amlos me serami 28 2025 emla motrok la kamaldi morngina July 6 2025 el Sunday el di morngina funeral home ngangat kibrairai tia di mo kamaldi el duro sulsil se mamak ramadal roykul rairai mangar along yak musubdra ngotroy at chowra Klay maseling reklay mo masudra bibir kami umangal gelaw ngireng ma elsay emem ngasumam diri kam sudra ay adrairik la Albert Maldangsang masudra bibir kami emem ngasumam tial mo ngolbong el masungun kal targid raw el Davis masudra aktiri kam sudra ngal gela ngira amoy masudra bibir raw aktiri kam sudra ngal gela de ureng raterbor maygol mutok masudra bibir raw tial kam dil diri morar ngal gela Paulis ra Christina mamesungil emem ngasumam tial olbong el sungun kal targid ngarar dek masudra kal esperay with Angel Bertero Mosubdrangal karibad ang imemos kumamartel mo mongol al sungul obok raw el Davis musubda tokobet sespede kamratur ngal ngi kasusiro mosubdrar bebi raw imemos kumam ngiwalak mosubdra Jonathan sa bobultadaw mahana uweda mosubdra bebi raw imem alim itang sew tokobet sespede ka madrangyul amura ngal gelam le madrangyul el rungul rikabal ra ngal gelay doong wasay ra noay doong ma Richard Dialul mosubdra bebi raw imem itang sew dirikal mura ngal gela dilisikla radil Johanna mosudrar bebir gaw emim da alim idikal ngalgela kiari malil ra esperancio ma proserpin sep malil meim da alim idikal morangal gela gertrud pugro rangingat kabuy hiyo pugro ma ebirulog na mi uwegi meim da alim da ngisew idikal morangal gela madrangyul Gabriel Rungul rarium de Stefanus Gabriel mawdal adar ngamalas Stefal Isang iramyong emim da ngisew Pasisulsub da maray blog trumen ngirmang mosudrar bebir gidra blara waspay emim da ngisew idikal morangiray derbay masasing erurang maebiray derbay brangay masami mamayim da kayong isew aktirir ang subdrakal ubal sawet takataro mayim da kayong isew aktirir ang subdrakal elmis masubda mabong albalo elma ngirturong mayim da alim da kayong isew malkayo kak masubdrakal ngiripkal tulow adoy talay masariyang king masubdra bebir ka mayim da kayong isew aktirir ang subdrakal sawet noboru mayim da kayong isew yasarak masubdra yaadra bitalta at trumen ngirmang mausak kal sakariyas siyang aldeb masubdra adad ra ngiray mayim da alim da kayong isew ulbong al masungun kal targid dirikal morar adwe Ananias pultada meim da kaing sew ayrak masudar ngal gila idiklar Leo adat triyong masudar bebir ka meim da alim da kaing sew aktir kam sudar ngal gila mat iyaw mukas pusub da meim da kaing sew dirikal masudar kam sekchin makam menchin masudar bebir ka meim da kaing sew ngaram lungoyak masudar kal harugor mari yawlingit melmer ngal gem Valeri Diaz malngusuma martel kamal dililatar ngamam at bangak masudar kal madrang lay Chimit Jonas meim ngusuma martel ulbong al masungun la targid raw Davis musubda orior musubda sabi na termete meigo marangal game madalim mitang isew direkal musubda kal Anisio Sikyang malme ang algem na Kirby Tamgil Sikyang malngasuk mamartel kamal dilang direkal musubda ang algel adulota ora rangi el dulota musubda bibir ka meim dalim mitang isew tokobet subda maraw elsia shalom et pisong musubda bibir ka meim dalim mitang isew direkal lungon mga liok lagar di mokal gilel am kadal bladsa klamatela subda ul blodi kal mudung klem emok subes meim dalim bertial bulo rubak kalgi sulman makal tanga tergidrokoy logi wabud mabaltigreng sa na dingalius
الموت تيا ترى سوبدرا أو سيسيول جمديل مالواسيت تيا سوبدرا جمديل لول توب درنيا المش مسوبد بأب البن وقرا تيا كلون سوبدلو كيوا أو مول الجريلا السمول ما جمديل نيكال لوبكو راتي بيس مسوبد المورنيلا ساندي للول ملكب سنيلا أونغي البوير الأراك الدي مورنيلا فيونرال هوم را أبلور نتكيب راي ما ngayang ala kultur olingitra hanges serkau erd or isimang bandari ma arbulgu Felix Osilek Florencio Yamada Ebilungireng Takao Diana Jose Guru Yao Bereng Stelgu ma Matsumi Rulugud luasemo sudrarokui ngalgara ablara angardoko emem takaing sewda limit talul bongol el sungul kalobugo ma angara da kulitange surgau krai kamsekchin ma dilbugo de Cristina Sali luasemo sudra arbekl dad margalga emem talim edkaing ser tial momul bongol el sungul kal lobugo ma angiwal la kulitange surgau waruyos el Eliot Udui ma angiruyos el Hokons Paules ma Atuafanus Joshua Ongolungul ma Singenari Takataro ma James Yob Sinesio Sunday Diagon Yosua Taro Kegrelo Pak Elionata Tulmau ma Diagon Ronald Timarong Marlon Bab George Tulo Pastor Hosea Inacio Atogopets Lispedek Amora Adirra Ospai Isabella Iano Ngirmang ma Augusta Kubari Bultadav Luasemo Subdar Adad Marangal Karaplay Emeim da Alim da kaing ser tialul bong hel sungul ngal targit amal ko ka kultur ke olgit tanges ra argal gela aditral mau alus ra rul vigoris ngbarda ma angir gogi le Steven Sebal Luasemo Subdara arad Marangal Karaplay Emem da Alim da kaing ser tialul bong hel sungul ngal targit ma angar sur ngesar yagi direk mo ultur ke olgit tanges surkau argal gela ang samong direk spada laksau Noas Araimul matat ngira mengyor luasemo subdar ad marangal garapla ra hayus emeimeda alim etkaing ser tialul bong sils ngal targit ako girai yagi direk oltur ke olngit tanges surkau al take o ngirmagul ma alu Lorenzo Pedro sargabur Dennis Mat luasemo subdar ad marangal ke memeda alim etkaing ser tialul bong al sungul nikal lobgu yabrilio atugobet spedek amora obgukra am ueul postol drumlik ma arangal gela Augusto sangpau era Fritz ngpau luasemo subdra dat ma arangal ke mem ka ingsew eta limit tialul bong al sungul nikal targit klab ngtela subda ul matirgel takau adl lokiwa admak era am subda pap ma dir ami kera sai masubda pol sub ami ul meim ka ingsew eta limit tialul bong al sungul nikal lobguk era teipis masubda malbatoga al sungud ar adar belau ma bolagat sub miul mei yangaru ei yati galat karang lungu marupakil dios lola arogu klisi elo makral elo makontangat tergidrogu mada ko mal masulang sign elmis masubud pa tial subud el mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel ma diagal tigingel malub engul de swel at yes broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi ko mal masulang subdra kodal tia subdra kodal lul top dengi armli ku el sawas olikong tobdev mongami ma arlul tarkong elis madrar graingir oral sa aliangat mruk yalap madar ab eli bisay el subdra bekel at mamar babel taop ma orior mukmong angal gedra matlap rumong el ngalgala rumong ililaw ma el losme ersera trim edel gabsingil ongelon mulbuir el arak akmel dilelam lamotrokok morngi ra ewal gabsingil ongewidel buir el arak el di morngi ra Santos Porha Funeral Home and Chapel mga maldil mo swelbe tobder mo omdakra otosongra ay blue rabelur ngarmid ma ngarmid ya kim subdra ar yung Benjamin Yopo ma ebid yung Dr. Ulay autobda ma Abbas Paul Ueki ma ebil Abbas el batildes kiomasa luasemo subdra edad ma arangalga raw el gyukla yemeda alim med kaing seu gidirek mesubdra roguil ada marangal garab laira ang rugubit olungit luasemo iti ta al sungmiu mem takaing seu ma kim subdra harangal gelam le wodal at pengat ililaw marangal gelam le tiraw olngel mda alililaw ma arangal gelam le wodal at mokirong osig marangal gelam le he wodal adal merki mongami ma arangal gelayob ililaw direct spadala arangalgela ngir ora lilaw ma arangalgela harumong lilaw ma arangalgela ongro lialap ma arangalgela amosbu yalap marangalgela amle eting ilius merep ma arangalgela aroi singang yalap marangalgela amle ebirai belau rosir turong marangalgela ar irikle tiai ma arangalgela amle erangem troli Carmelong. Ya kuknger kasaw lakim subdra adel par kasaw ma imu Dominika ngoriak luase mo subdra aradat ma arangalka era atmat pap hememda alimeda kaing seu. Ya ngaramay yakim subde olngitra op ad rul bertong ma op adel dil el dedi troli luase mo subdra adat ma arangalka era ogolang hememda alim eta kaing seu. Ya ngarbeet takim subda ay olungit terkau eli adribugel ma hab ekildil luase mo subdra aradat marangal kara hangribugel emem da alim met kaing seu osisiu subdra qodal amora aplai raklai era blu rai lolungit em subdra kaul tuurmel rani ngira areang ma am asel ebi raklai el modet paules el mok mo subdra aradat ma arangal ka raklai emem ngusugumam ya le ui rablaira angar matangir yang spadala blu marinor sengel ma direct mala al blu pes el kiulul ma ebil hermana umetaro lo asemo sudar adat marangal ka eme mosugmam ya kukngar long ya kim sudra ai adra irik el pastor Albert Maldangsang rubas subdiang ubdei ma chieko yungul ma Erika Emmanuel wasemo subdra adat marangal ka emem alim et kaing seu yang rarde aki im subdra hakarai ma dilbugoda ma ongotrui el joe reklai ma Sabina termetet Celine reklai Philip reklai marangalgela aungidreng remogota era atakriu Salvador remogota ma Helen remogota ma legislator Saburo remogota el wasemo subdra adat marangalga emem alim et kaing seu ai reak spedek ngakil dumligu els oas ma oligong tubdeg mongami ma madar drar grai ngir oral ma amadra apel eli mesei eritialo sisiul gomdil amorar mosong grai mariul ma auer oar ramon pe spis Valentino ngirgiklang ma kultngu be udu yumang ma betul okata itong ma arbu Celestino madsol mukma mosubdra tat ma arangal ra aikal bekkel goblil elmo angalkela rumong ililaw era matlap rumong amla motrokok lakmdilel el morngira ewal kapsingil onge with el buir el arrak el timorngira Santos for half funeral home and chapel el ngara hablu rai motrangal el mem da ali met kaing seu mata ko mam sulang erubak dios lo makantanga tergid rokui sain dremli ku el sawas oli kong tobte ko ngami mar alu letar kong elis Nutia tara subdra osisiul godal metia subdra khamdil tobderngia armong song grai mariur ma auer oar Ramon Rabey ma spis Valentino ngirgiklang ma ngul Rabey udui ma Abdul Okada titong ma arbu Celestino madsol mokmong targidra matlab rumong amlos mer ma batngela ngaramor kem lamot trokok lakmdilel morngira ongei mlurior el ewal kapsingil onge with el puir el arrak el dimo mangamdira a Palau funeral home en chapel ra etiu clogra tutau el mosuelve etu del mo omdakla ra angarmidr orior makim subdra bekla dad marangalka ra qabli ra adel gong el wase memed alim te kaing seuri tial el komaldil Islam maki misubdra arat mamra ay kalpek blu ma olle rangar along akim subdra hatsko sato ma arbe birgau Erika Maldangsang ma arangalkem ma adiram tawi el telat ka madrang ma arbe birgau ma Ramona Ingais ma arbe birgau ma Aruat Paulina Askang ma arbe birgau Maria Asuncion and the cell oil ma arbebirgau Adenisha Mariur ubadei ma arbebirgau adel baira Abdul Bautista Sato ma ayat temong ma direkl mesubdra atetsing it Sato satao riungel ma ay adra ating Abraham Oshima wasemo subdra adat rapla yur ma arangal gela amrao ya kukung keklaur ngararde ya kim subdra ngalgela amal sol ra optilia mal sol luase mo subdra arbe birgau ma Valentina edesomelo ma arangalka aktirek subdra ahana ingais manahane luase mo subdra arbe birgau direkel mesudra abasilia temael uerngos direkel mesudra ngalgela asayangala merilangal wase mkas mesudra me medagaing seu ritial albul ya kokngiwal ya kim subdra haruko ngiramagati Pablo Temol Elender ngiramagati Wanda Timarong Linda Malaitau ma Valeria Telei ya malgeok ang spadala ikuko okotol ma angarapai poisek telei lo hacemos sudra dadama arangalaka yang esar ang spadala akamrek Zacharius Shangaldev Governor Dwayne Hideo Dr. J. Lincoln ma Dominic de Marcel Umi Jeffrey Anton Inaria Ngiraibai Gracia Leonardo Ertung Liza Watanabe Norma Etibek ma Emelda Adelbay agi direkkel mesubdra atnesik risong satol wase mosubdra bebirgau marngal e mosubdra obakram u Sydney H ma arbe birgau ya kuk plurai rai ya kim subdra ar lul ringang mates puikespis Sherman Daniel wodel adra asel taka korulugo sieko Daniel Paulina arbangsau wase mosubdra arbekladat ma arangal gara atlungal gara asel agi direkkel mesudra ebirra asmungsong almarta iad ma dirmeu anemari edeao lo hacemos sudra edad ma arangalka direkkel spadala akitang ma arangalka diraibu ma arangalgel eungel ma arangalgel omtilo agi direkkel mesudra aira al iksakas lo hacemos sudra edad ma arangalka ra aikasakas agi direkkel mesudra aya herda ortkoil ma ebirra airik sadaria adelbail wase mosudra arangalgela ngir oit ma arangalgela etumeleu ma arangalgela apelelas ma arangalgela ngirait pang ya oreor wodel ad maura cordon siska sangabau ma arangalgem era udu sangabau senior ma amaireng sangabau ma arangalgelam le tirarur tilub rabei era tirarur nglod rabei ngiraingas ma atarkara avernis rabei ma arbe birgamiu ma arangalga marangalgela akuniko oikang marsil ma amarta marsil ma arbe birgau ma ebiraroisel mihaina de Marcel Kotep ma arbe birgau marangalgela simako wali Sisinia Ueda marbe birgau Merci Mariur Pitlaul ma arbe birgau Lili Oilo kau ma arbe birgau ma Damiana ngira tapoeta ma arbe birgau Julia Oib ma arbe birgau Daria Brel Mateol ol marbe birgau Ulang Temei ma arbe birgau marangalgela Abing sawas era odal at sendi sawas Lazarus ma armelig uel sawas ma arbe birgau ma arangalgela amle odal at el mergi mongami ma madra abel tebdeg mongami ma adorin ongonungel ma arbe birgamiu marangalgela amokirong osigra wili osiga marangalgela ayo ililau era iadar mail eliayo marbe birgau marangalga angir oral ililau era tulik Alfonso Diaz ma akrai ngir oral ma arbe birgmiu ma arangalgela arumong ililau era ardialul rumong ma arbe birgau marangalgela amdal adebelbot era alosau otaul ma Carla Siang Sadang ma Glenn Siang Maria Basilius Akitaya Ngeaol Naruo Umay Naruo Marilyn Basilius Umay Basilius Isida Cliu Basilius ma Asuzan Ngirausui Pascuana Pelesam ma Arpebirgau Malik Siska Besong Kel ma Mariko Thomas ma Arpebirgau ma Arangalga Domin Mistru Tome ma Arbebirgau Benita Mesubde Hosiana Rungulbai ma Deborah Mesubde Ngirat Ngir Hiob Mesubde Matthew Mesubde April Mesubde Fred the Sangabaw, ma Aumi Sangabaw, ma Aru Uliw, Sugrat Sabal, ma Arbebi Ragaw, Wilson Irausui, ma Arbebi Ragaw, ma Saturnino Tewid, ma Arbebi Ragmiw, Dennis Oilo, kau ma Arul the Ronald Oilo, ma Aru Uliw, John Kabod, ma Felix Olgaril, Minor, ma Arbebi Ragaw, ma Arangalagela Olgaril, ma Pili Narwo Bruce, Ngirgutling, Spice Gordon, ma Isao Sato, Yusim Sato, Palent Oigang, ma Jenkins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Samuel Endesel, Silverius Pesong, Benio Thomas, ma Arbebi Ragaw, ma Arangalaga, ma Henry Belesam, ma Aru Ulem, agi Director Mesudra Arangalagela Ari Greek Spice, ma Arangalagela Adamay Melerang, Tamol, ma Algel April, ma Epil, Kamiw na Obas Angkliw, mo Subdra Arbebi Kamiw, ma Aradat, Marangal Solay, Memedakayang Sew, Eritial Kamaldi, Dirgel Adatam Lo, Hodiakan Madunga Clear, Eritial Subda, mo Subes, Eti Hibomodangay, Solay, Memedakayang Sew, Sel Seals, Edakasues, Edakayang Sew, Eritial Kamaldi, Dirgel Adatam Lo, Hodiakal Sabaril, El Meritial, El Kamaldil, Asab Irilding Maya, Ngasurir, El Mora, Momsa, Armang Song, El Garay Mariur, ma Al-Upe, Eng Uodal At, El Maura Cordon, Kompman Misulang, Sain, Ramang Song, Garay Mariur. Mutatya Tara Subdra, Osisiul Kamaldil, ma Luaisetya Subdra, Tobdrangi, Ay Blue, Turuman, Ngirmang, ma El Mesubdra ako the lela matlap rumong, el ngalgela opkal rumong, ma rumong ililaw, el nosmer seratru medel kapsingil ongelon melbuir el arrak. Apatangela ngara morgam la motrokok len motuob dra ewal kapsingil ongewidel buir el arrak ratutaw, el dimo omangamadira parau funeral home, el moswelba e moraket. Malwasya kimsubde olngitra haradamam, ra aplara au ospay, ra ang iwalan mokma mematagayang sew da alim eritel albul ma kimsubdra arangalgela abilung turyong satsko iyong ma arangalgel ma adangal eos rulugd ma arangalgela ane mari Moses ma arangalgela nguram abab ma arangalgela ngirmang ngiraybay ma arangalgela idub ngirarigel ma arangalgela olgril tewid ra Lorenza olgril ma Amistiga Olgril Luasemo Subdra Arbebi Kamiw Marangal Mematagayang Sew ma Arangalgela Mira Ngiraybay Rasibong Klowlat Luasemo Subdra Arangalga Mematagayang Sew Marangalgela Lie Privilgul Marangalgela Amatrat Kyosi Marangalgela Ngertao Idoong era Speaker Noah Idoong Luasemo Subdra Arudam ma Arangalga Mematagayang Sew Marangalgela Obak Rumong Hakim Subdra Arangalgela Opkal Rumong, Hakim Subdra Arangalgela Asyang Irikl, Marangalgela Aurmakl Debelbot, Luase Mematagayang Sew, Aleo Xiao, ma Arangalgel, Mosubdra Arbekladat, Mematagayang Sew, Ngiraybay Gregorio Rong, ma Odal Adraybay, Luase Mosubdra Arbekladat, Marangal Garaybay, Sola Mematagayang Sew, Togupets Spedek, Amura, Adalbayra, ay eti Dwight Alexander, Luase Mosubdra Aradat, Mematagayang Sew, Tel Albul, Lex Spedek, Amura, Atul, Adedelil, El Mokmong, Mkaspasubda, Mematagayang Sew, Dirgel Dimlakan Matungang Clear, Emtangel mukma kotakawat era ablara au ospay rangiwal mematagayang sew matako mal msulang errokui etakayusing eboda kapate ertial sils matagayang sew sign iblug truman yirmang Mutiltia Tara Subdra Osisiul Kodal, Matia Subdra Mandil, Ma Omagadal Plans, El Oltobdringia, Angirai Derbeil, Masasingi Arurang, Ebirai Derbeil, Beringi Masami, Iblug Truman Irmang, Ma Asar Kapur el Denis Mat, El Mesubdra Rokuil, El Mamal Ngara, Aikalpekil Balun, Mokmang Atargidra Matalap Rumong, Amlosme Erseratru, Medel Kapsingil Ongelol Mulpuir El Arrak, Ma Abadangel Nkal, Lada ngaramor kem la motrok la khmeldil el morngira onge imblurior el lewal kapsingil onge widel puir el arrak abdangela angaramor ka mangtimo mangmeldira funeral home elmo oimi traswelb emo madakar ngarmit ma ki malulungit dar mamul ngara aikal nilbelu luasem kaspesubde ememda desat atarkit elmo adibusrat longalet ma ngarolong eng spadala ngirau regata jak rungul luasemo o subdara atadama arangal ke meme dakai ngeseu iritial masang ya kukngarar teng spadala atur kacu siro ma arangal ke lamle etililau sabet kel marangal ke lamle etililau plorang ngirablos ma Lydia ngirablos Pastor Jacob ngirablos ma arangal kel sakuma ma arangal ke la ardaor ma arangal ke la olongal lel ya kukngiwal eng spadala iblu kuturuman ngirmang ma 11-6 kwazalin ngirmang ma matrangiul Xavier Ngirameong, Miokang Alfonso, Gregorio Ngirmang, Lorenza Orgadil, Mystica Pedro, Ruth Ngirmang, Augusta Pultatao, Happy Ngirakasaw, Norman Ngirakasaw, Christina Tulop, Jonathan Sabo Pultatao, Carson Silil, Diana Siang, Tin Ngirarikel, Sabet Hideki, Ilapsis Ngirakasaw, Ma Clarence Masayos. Ya malkayo keng spadala Arklay Rafael Pao Ngirmang, ma Ngiratakaw Pipiano Mat, ma Sibong Cloulat, ma Francis Liev. Ya kukeng esareng spadala Aradab A Ananias Pultatao, marangalgala Ayuki Wong Hotel, marangalgala Amle Tukur Abas. Esora ngayray eng spadala arangalgala Tuat Matul, ila apis Kerngel Marcelus, Alfonsa Ventorio, sa Arkabul Dennis Math, Elmis Masubad, Malnguis Masubad, Daudalin Masubad, Emolin Masubad, Pubeu Masubad, Nancy Ngirarikel, Humiana Rungulma Ashelbi Masami. Yakuk Oreor, eng spadala Rangem Miser Ragamsik, Ebiray Derbey Elbrengye Masami, Masahiro Daniel, Sofia Sid, Tira Iteil Koreti Erbay, ma Justa Peloy, Joyce Antonio, Keana Masubad, Lucia Yano, Alen Takada, Magdalena Keorung, Dwight Masami, Augustin Masayos, Ras Masayos, Ethel Arurang, Eileen Arurang, Hok, Pei Arurang, Steve Arurang, Matthew Arurang, Marciano Rungul, Clifford Masami, Calvin Masami, Allen Takada, Spice Saguma, Jesse Saguma, Erdialul Rumong, Matlab Jesse Rumong, ma Armstrong Develbot. Yakuk Muyuns, eng spadala ngirongor Ricky Mool, ma Dili Klep ngiream rulugut, luasemo subdara adat marangal emertial masang. Yabililyo, eng spadala Smau Augustin Meseral, ngiraki dele Joe Ngiramul, ma diraki dele El Marta Ngiramul, luasemo subdara adat ma arangal kertial masang. Yakuk ngayaw, eng spadala au erbelau Lorenzo Edward, ma adil belau luasay meymeda kaingiseo ritial masang. Kohmar besulang al ngarngi amodiahal sabel mei edit galat kerang lungu ma rubak dios lol mol molo mekal tengah tergider rogui sa nirai terbei masa singe arurang iblu turuman ngirmang ma asar kabur Dennis Math tial subdel muller reng strengi adiagal spedel ma adiagal tigingel malub engul de swel adias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi haraorngi kohmal besulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
You like beer? Well, there's a new beer in town called Asahi Super Dry. Its taste bud makes you feel fresh and dry. After 2 or 3 cans, you want to get up and cha-cha-cha. Okay, so let's go for it. What are we waiting for, man? Asahi Super Dry, here we come! Asahi Super Dry is sold throughout Palau, a Karakuchi Island beer.
WWFM is owned and operated by DS Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermit Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Pretty Waves now offers 4G LTE. With one SIM card, you can call and text and use the internet. Affordable rates and packages perfect for your needs. All worry-free. Zero balance? No problem. You can still receive calls and texts. Communication has never been this easy. So take control with PT Waves now. Visit their Facebook page for more information. Palau Telecom. Get connected, get closer.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Are you tired of overflowing bins and irregular waste collection? WWF Waste Collection Company got you covered. We offer residential waste pickup for only $22 a month and commercial waste pickup for only $33 a month. Why choose us? We offer affordable rates, prompt and reliable services, and we are also able to curate our services to meet your needs. You can contact us at 488-2254, 775-1509, or 775-2765, or email us at bubblethewastecollectors@gmail.com. Let's work together for a cleaner and greener future.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you.
Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem el mera radio station. Mada gulngit mamay yung sugaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw. Eo ay sinmuk mungomur o ingrang, momrekor o ingrang. Etela times ratal si, sesayan ringi, esen ringil either moya ka fax, mora 488-4420. Malub sendringi loya ka email en mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recordringi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau e auriul ega meharau. Ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maluba ngania harmam raspedem e aki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal mesulang.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. Oisine. What do you mean, oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1. You're listening to station WWFM,
Stay tuned for Fox News.
A quadruple killer pleads guilty. Lisa Brady, Fox News, admitting just weeks before trial that he killed 4 university students in Idaho.
Judge Stephen Hippler accepting Brian Koberger's change of plea to guilty of 1 count of burglary and 4 counts of first-degree murder.
I accept the plea. I direct that it be entered.
In a Boise court, the 30-year-old former criminal justice graduate student admitting to fatally stabbing the 4 University of Idaho students at an off-campus home in 2022.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Yes.
Koberger waiving his right to an appeal as part of the plea deal, with prosecutors allowing him to avoid the death penalty. The judge acknowledging victims' families are divided on the agreement, apologizing for the short notice on the change of plea hearing and setting a sentencing hearing for July 23rd.
Fox's Christine Goodwin. The judge also says his office has had many calls and emails about the case, calling them highly inappropriate and saying he has not read or listened to any of them. There's no sentencing date yet for Sean Diddy Combs, convicted today on 2 prostitution-related counts that could send him to prison for years, but the federal jury in New York found him not guilty on the most serious charges, sex trafficking and racketeering, which could have meant life in prison. The judge is expected to announce a decision soon on granting bail for now. President Trump and House Speaker Mike Johnson meeting with some Republican holdouts on what supporters call the big beautiful bill.
We can't make everyone 100% happy. It's impossible. This is a deliberative body. It's a legislative process. By definition, all of us have to give up on our personal preferences.
Johnson still hopeful of getting final passage this week, but the House is stalled on a procedural vote before it can move on to debating the version passed by the Senate. Democrats say that bill will hurt working families, the president insisting it will help them by spurring an economic boom. America is listening to Fox News. An updated Pentagon assessment of the U.S. airstrikes on Iran's nuclear program.
The Pentagon's battle damage assessment from last month's airstrikes on 3 Iranian nuclear sites is unchanged.
Those facilities especially have been completely obliterated.
Pentagon chief spokesman Sean Parnell says Iran's nuclear program has been degraded by 1 and probably closer to 2 years.
We believe that Iran's nuclear capability has been severely degraded, perhaps even their ambition to build a bomb.
Parnell says that's because Iranian leadership now knows the U.S. will take military action to prevent the country from developing a nuclear weapon.
Fox's Jared Halpern at the White House. Meantime, Iran's president signing a law that stops cooperation with the UN's nuclear watchdog agency. Iran's foreign minister has said they might also pull out of a global non-proliferation treaty. Many Americans are getting ready to hit the road or the airport.
AAA predicts 72.2 million people will travel at least 50 miles from their homes over the Independence Day holiday period. That's an increase of 1.7 million domestic travelers from last year and 7 million more than 2019. What's driving this? TravelTube.com founder Mark Murphy says it's the economy.
Inflation is down. Gas prices are down to 21 levels. People have more money in their pocket. They're feeling more optimistic. And I think that drives discretionary spending, which travel is a big part of.
The TSA expects to screen more than 18.5 million travelers, with the highest passenger volume, around 2.9 million, this coming Sunday. At Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.
We get the government's latest jobs report tomorrow. Today, an ADP report suggests private employers cut 33,000 jobs last month. New records on Wall Street, though, for the S&P and the NASDAQ, but the Dow finishing lower, down 10 points. And Lisa Brady, Fox News.